Budget Forum 2014, hosted by newsfirst and KPMG, took place at the Stein Studios in Ratmalana this evening.
Let's now take a look at some excerpts from the discussion.
I think His Excellency this afternoon said, I think now 47 of the 52 public enterprises are now profitable. A number of them have been turned around. I think the ministry concerned and COPE have played a very important role. That may open up the possibility for a small share of the equity of a few commercial enterprises to be listed. Because it does a couple of things. One is the underutilized stock exchange gets some greater number of companies listed, and two, the disclosure requirements, the compliance requirements, the corporate governance standards, etc., that come with listing will take these enterprises to another level as well. It doesn't have to be very much. It can be just 10-15%. It also gets revenue for the government.
You know, there is some movement in that regard even today, where there are companies which are hoping to have private equity firms set up so that they could hold the hands of these possible contenders to move into the stock market, which is very important, and I think that is happening. Perhaps next year some element of support for those by way of tax incentives could be considered, I believe. The third point is we know that Sri Lanka is moving towards a $100 billion economy. So we are looking at a $60 billion market cap in our stock exchange around the 2016-2017 year. We are still at 20 billion. And how can we go forward? One is to have new listings. One is to see that the existing companies grow. And the third is to see that there are companies which are presently contenders to come into the market are encouraged to come in. So I think these provisions that have been set out today reflect some thinking on those lines, and those need to be welcomed.